T-series electro-hydraulic bending machine supports two programming methods, data and graphics. Added YEYR individual compensation and global compensation functions. Separate step exchanges are also possible. Support for table display. At the same time, different changing conditions can be selected according to different usage habits. Graphic programming mode can be directly based on the workpiece graphics during programming. You can also adjust the step to simulate programming. Support code scanning programming, UDisk data import and export.
HARSLE. Save time, money.